Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn a move called 3-step turn. So let's get started. The first step is to place our right leg on the floor. Once you place your right leg on the floor, we turn towards our right on our right leg to face back. Let's try that. Turn. That's step 2. Now we turn on our left leg to face forward, but we turn again towards our right, pushing our right shoulder back. That's step 3. As you step on your right leg, you're going to tap your left leg on the floor, and then we repeat the same towards the left. So step on your left, turn on your left towards left to face back, and then turn on your right to face forward and tap your right leg on the floor. That's the move, guys. Let's try it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, move. Right, left, right. Tap, left, right, left, tap. The move looks best when you add some arm movement. So you can add an arm swing as you turn and a clap as you tap. Let's add the arm movement and move the step with some music.
You feel it. La 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 la.
So when you do this move, remember to keep rolling towards the direction you want to move. For example, when you are going towards right, you step, you turn, you do not break the flow of the turn. So you do not do this, okay? So when you step and turn, remember to lift your right leg and push your right shoulder back to face forward. Same thing towards the left side. That's all for today. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.